Hello folks, today we're going to be making homemade pickled eggs, or I should say Mom and Carolyn's going to be making pickled eggs. This is the recipe Mom uses. It's a family tradition. She's made them as long as I can remember. And let's get started. Now folks, this recipe here is for 1 dozen eggs, so if you want to do it 2, 3, just double or triple the recipe. Today they're actually going to be doing 4 dozen. It's 1 dozen eggs, 2 16-ounce cans of whole beets, sliced if you can't find the whole beets, 1.5 cups of vinegar, 1.5 cups of sugar, 1.5 cups of liquid from the beets. Now if you don't have 1.5 cups from your beets, you should have, but if you don't, you can top that off with water until you get the 1.5 cups. And then 2 to 3 tablespoons of pickling spice. Now just boil your eggs however you do it. We like to, after they start boiling, cook them for 12 minutes. But however you boil your eggs, however you cook your eggs. Okay folks, now while your eggs is cooking in a different pot, be adding your sugar. We're actually adding 6 cups today because we're doing 4 dozen eggs. Then we'll be adding the vinegar here in just a minute. Okay, here's 6 cups of vinegar going in now, and then we'll be adding our beet juice. It'll be also 6 cups of beet juice total. There you can see the beet juice. Now we're going to be getting our pickling spice. You just take you some cheesecloth, pour your spice down in it, and then tie them up, and then that way your spice won't be inside your juice there. There's Mom and Carolyn tying them up right now. Now they're just about ready to throw that in the pot. They're getting it finished tied up right now, and you'll see it here in just a second. There you go. Just put them down in the pot and then bring it to a boil and then take it off the heat. Okay, now while that's boiling or getting ready to come to a boil, you be peeling your eggs. Okay, and just a reminder folks, when your brine, your beet juice and all that there gets done boiling, leave it sitting there for just a little bit and let it cool off some. We don't want nobody breaking their jars. Just let it cool down a little bit. Okay, Mom and Carolyn's got all the eggs peeled. Now just start throwing them in the jars there. Now, once you get all your eggs put in your jars, you'll get your beets and start pouring them in on top of your eggs there. Just pour them in on top of them. There we go. Just pour them right in there. Oh no! Man overboard! Now folks, after you pour your liquid in there, you want to let the jars cool completely before you put them in the refrigerator. And after about a day, you can start eating them. The longer they sit, the better they're going to be. Alrighty. Now there, Mom and Carolyn is adding the brine to it. Just pour it in there, cover over top of them. And in about a day, you're going to have some good eating there. Folks, I'd like to thank y'all for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification. And hope y'all have a blessed day. Thank you again for watching. Also like to thank my mom and my wife Carolyn for showing us this recipe. Y'all have a great day.